My name is Taiger, and I own Beauty Center Taiger. I've worked as a beautician for over 10 years. I chose Dermatude after I'd spoken with other beauty centers. They showed me some of the results as well as photos from before and after treatments. After seeing this, I followed the Dermatude course. The explanation and product advice was very clear. It was also great that you could practice with each other what you had learned. I wrote an article about Dermatude for a local magazine. As a result of that article, my first clients came to my demonstration where I showed the treatment. From that moment on, new clients came by themselves because satisfied clients talked about it. Because of the great results, relatives and friends of clients also came in without any further advertisement. Young clients who already have some wrinkles can receive the treatments, as well as clients with deep wrinkles. Also, scars and acne are treatable. After 2 treatments, you get some results, and from that moment on, it only gets better. There are a lot of clients who are not ready for a Botox treatment, but want something to be done. We always show those clients photos from before as well as after the treatment. They usually say yes because they think it looks more natural. These are awesome treatments in which you get a lot of results in little time. It's just something extra for beauticians to offer. It perfectly fills up the gap between a beauty treatment and a Botox treatment. Young clients who already have some wrinkles can receive the treatment, as well as clients with deep wrinkles. After 2 treatments, you get results, and from that moment on, it only gets better.